Even though looping a video on your Instagram story might be simple, there's still a lot of people who don't know how to do it exactly. In this video, I'm going to show you how. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to post a new story, so I swipe right. And as you can see on the menu on the left, I'm going to choose Boomerang. And here I'm going to record a boomerang, and because I don't have 3 hands, I asked my friend to help me here. So I'm going to go ahead and record. So as you can see, now this is a boomerang, and if I post it on my story, it's going to be looping. And as you can see here on the top, I have this boomerang option. And if I tap on that, it gives me a couple of different options, like making it a slow-mo, like that, or echo, which makes it like that, or duo. It shows it twice in every loop. So you can make changes like that to your video. Let's say I want echo, and then if I tap done, and if I share it to my story, people will see this video on loop. Hope you enjoy your looping videos on your Instagram story. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.